Hello, I'm Emma Jo from Lavinia Stamps, and this video is all about how to make a wonderful enchanted mushroom. Let's get going. Scrunch a piece of kitchen foil to create a stalk about 8 centimeters long. So we're scrunching it. Step 2. To make the cap of your mushroom, take a piece of foil and wrap a corner around the top of the stalk 3 times so it's attached. Then use the rest of the length to form and mould the shape of the mushroom cap. Add 2 more sheets of foil until you have the complete cap shape. Tuck it under on one side that's already stuck to the stalk and wrap it. Some foam clay and an MDF disc, string lights, and get it moving first. 1 MDF disc being covered with 4 centimeters of foam clay. Push the string of lights into the foam whilst it's still malleable. Take another 4 centimeter ball of foam clay, flattening this foam clay onto the mushroom cap, completely covered. Next, rolling that ball of clay and just roll that around the stalk. Take another 4 centimeter ball and flatten it and wrap around the stalk. What I love about this is each time you make a mushroom, they sort of take on their own character. So no 2 mushrooms will be the same. Right, next step, create the gills. So I've got the clay sculpting knife, so I'm dipping that into water and just pushing the cutting edge into the clay under the cap to create the gills. Then to create the frill, pinch the clay between your finger and thumb. So attach the mushroom by gently pushing the bottom of the stalk into the foam clay on top of the MDF disc. 2 mushroom pods. All I'm doing is just pushing this reindeer moss into position. So now we're going to paint it. Put half a teaspoon of the mustard seed dinkles. Put half a teaspoon of Payne's Grey Dinkles. I'm just going to flick with my paintbrush up into the wet dinkles that we've got. Applying some glue, some of the moss sprinkles. But let's turn these lights on and see what this looks like now. You then have a rather magical looking enchanted mushroom that you made all by yourself. I think it looks fabulous. All right, bye.